Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using eForms. In this video, we're taking a close look at eForms, an online platform designed to simplify the creation of legal documents. eForms provides a vast library of templates for a wide array of legal forms, ranging from rental agreements and business contracts to wills and powers of attorney. It's geared towards individuals, small business owners, landlords, and anyone who wants to streamline their legal paperwork without the need for legal counsel. A key feature is its comprehensive collection of templates catering to diverse legal needs, making it a versatile tool for both personal and business use. You can easily personalize these forms by entering your information online, and in many cases, you'll have a usable legal document ready in mere minutes. When it comes to user-friendliness, eForms excels with its intuitive interface. Navigating the website is straightforward, even for those using it for the first time. A convenient search feature helps you quickly locate the specific document you require. Importantly, the platform offers state-specific forms, which is essential for ensuring compliance with local regulations. I particularly value the availability of free options for certain documents, though it's worth noting that many crucial forms require either a subscription or a one-time purchase. So, is eForms worth the cost? It's significantly more affordable than hiring an attorney, particularly if you only need a handful of basic documents. However, for more intricate legal matters, consulting a lawyer is still advisable to ensure everything is legally sound. That being said, for simpler tasks such as rental agreements, bills of sale, or non-disclosure agreements, eForms presents a highly cost-effective solution. To wrap up, eForms is an excellent option for anyone seeking to quickly generate legally compliant documents without the complexity and expense of hiring a lawyer. Just remember to double-check all the details, especially if your situation is complex. If you're searching for an affordable and efficient platform for legal forms, eForms is a solid choice, but don't solely rely on it for complicated legal scenarios. Remember to check the description for all the links mentioned in this review.